I'm doing Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog, and today I'm going to be reviewing products from my latest GlossyBox. Let's see what's inside. The thing I noticed inside my box is I got one of these little jams, a CBD certificate. What? Can't wait to try that. Because I have to show this. This is so wow. This is look how exotic this is. This is this month's GlossyBox. What? I'm so excited to see what's in here. And here's what it says on the side. Wild thing. I guess that's the theme. What do you think? I like that GlossyBox is having fun with its boxes. See the little paw prints? And within, this is what it looks like when you first open the box. Nice presentation. The little booklet reads, "Explore your wild side." So apparently they had two versions. I don't know if you could see that. So pretty. First thing I noticed in here is something from a company that I have gotten in other beauty boxes. This is the company Eyeshadow. And that looks like their liner in black. It's cute. This says, "Put a wing on it." That's what it's called. Designed to accentuate eyes with ease using the felt tip for a single stroke intense carbon black color. Oh, this is what it looks like inside the packaging. I'll just remove that real quick. Okay. And let's see, where do I open this? Oh, there we go. It's a typical tip there. Okay, it doesn't seem to have a scent, which is nice. Let's see how it looks. Ooh, that's intense. And again, it doesn't really have much of a scent, which is okay in my book. I just want to erase it really quick to see. And it does, the ink does have some staying power on it. I mean, it blurred here, but not bad on that. The price tag for this little baby is $22 US. Okay, the next thing from Glossy, let's see if I have a little coupon in here. Oh, my book, let's see. This is the Bellapierre Cosmetics Kiss Proof Lip Cream, or creme, in hibiscus. So I'm gonna show this. This is supposed to be kiss proof. I'm already excited because I like having bold, beautiful, creamy looking lipsticks that hopefully don't dry out my lips or feel heavy on them, but also that they're non-transferable. That's the best. So I will be experimenting with this brand. I've never heard of it before, but this is the color. Beautiful, beautiful color. It's almost like a wine, but it's hibiscus, which happens to be one of my favorite drinks. I shouldn't say that. Hey. It feels like it has a scent, but almost like a citrus fruit scent, which is interesting. It also has a bit of a scent of a glue. But this is what it looks like. It looks almost like a paddle, like a very thin doe foot. It looks like it's a slight doe foot up there. Yeah, it definitely has a scent. I don't know if I hate it or anything. It's just I'm sort of on the fence about it. It has a glue scent to it too. Like I can't decide whether to have a fruity scent that smells on the citrus side, and then there's like this glue scent. It may have to do with the non-transferable part as to why it is, that glue part. But I like the color. It is nice. The price for this lovely, beautiful hibiscus color is $20 US. They sent me a shade I liked. I'm happy. And there was a coupon that came in here for the CBD. Look at that. This is the Rose Face Mask. Okay, this, apparently this is one of 3. They have a charcoal one, an aloe vera, and a rose. I like rose. So this has CBD in it? Really? This line of reformulated 50 meg CBD face masks are made with a topical boost of organically grown hemp CBD. The price for this bad boy is $6.99 US. Never heard of the brand, but 50 meg, willing to try it. Oh, look at this pretty thing. It matches the box. Do you see that? A company called Steve Laurent. Let's see, could it be? Because I don't think I've ever received anything makeup-wise from them, but already a lipstick and, ooh, look at that. Love the packaging. Yeah, this is an eyeshadow palette. Look how gorgeous. What this gives me vibes of. This gives me the vibes of MAC with their 9 shadow palette. This is what this reminds me of, the color scheme and all that. Can you see that? It's beautiful. Very, very adult, but oh, it's so pretty. I mean, look at those colors there. This reminds me of the MAC 9 eyeshadow palette. Beautifully understated colors. I guess this will be more of a neutral theme. Oh, but they're gorgeous. Let me just swatch a little here. And they have a black. So let's see how they look. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So I had to go back over it a couple of times, but you'll see the first 3 right there. That's the top 3 up here. Not bad. I'm trying to see if it has a scent. I don't know if it's the packaging, but it smells a little on the plasticky side, but otherwise there's no overpowering scent from the eyeshadow. Read the description here. It says the possibilities are endless with this eyeshadow palette. With metallics and dark colors, you can rock your bold or smoky look as much as you like. The retail price on this baby is $38. And it says a tip, remember to always have a primer on hand for bold, even application, which I probably will be trying soon, as I just recently picked up a primer from e.l.f. Cosmetics. Oh my goodness. This is becoming rapidly one of my favorite brands, but it's on the pricey side, is Elemis. Okay, this is the travel size of the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. Love it. This stuff is absolute magic. Let me know in the comments below, have you heard of Elemis? Have you ever tried any of their products? Let me know in the comments below what you thought and how it works for your skin, because I have combination skin. This worked well for me. Overall, what did I think of my Explore My Wild Side theme with GlossyBox? I would say this was incredible. I mean, up to this point, the impression I was getting with GlossyBox was that they were mostly about skin care, which I didn't mind. Overall, I would give this month's GlossyBox, I would give it an A. I got skincare, I got something, makeup-wise. I didn't get a blush, I'm fine with that. I didn't get a highlighter, but you know what? Those are extras. I love the lip, although it's a little bit sticky. It doesn't feel sticky when I do this. It only feels sticky when I press my lips together. So that's odd. The formulation must be the formulation to make sure that it's transfer proof, which I love. I'm loving everything in this box. The only thing that's missing is something for the hair. So I would give it an A. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below if you subscribe to GlossyBox, if you have ever, or if you're considering it, maybe you do want to sign up. Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, and even better, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching this latest unboxing. And this, again, is Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest makeup adventure, and I will see you on the next video. Take care. Be safe. Bye.